Hi, I'm Mandan Nalawade. She's my wife, Darshana Nalawade, and she's our daughter, Aradhya Mandan Nalawade. Then we were looking out for schools for Aradhya. We saw many schools, but we shortlisted this because of the location it has. Usually, other schools are in a duplex, which is very congested. So this has open areas for the children. So that was one of the main criteria for shortlisting this particular school for her. And regarding her development,
Yeah, regarding Aradhya's development, we both of us, we've been observing Aradhya since the time she's been associated with Montana. She is gradually developing the openness, and earlier, as she was a very shy child, she was not so open with other kids around her wherever we used to take her. But now she has developed a lot of openness, and now she goes herself and introduces herself to other children, other people around the place, and she herself starts the conversation, which is very impressing. And we all thanks to Montana for this quality that she has developed. Other thing is the infrastructure of this school is so unique, and it was the primary factor of getting Aradhya to Montana. Because what was happening was the other schools, as Mandar just specified, the other schools were all in a duplex where it was a home kind of atmosphere for Aradhya. It was not at all different from home. It was just like, putting her in another house. But over here, having an individual playground, having the pool area, the sand play area, it was so many experiences in one infrastructure, in one school. That was one major factor for us to choose Montana for Aradhya.
and she's a very active child, so having this open ground did help her explore more things,
More
and
things.
she enjoys playing out in the outside as well.
Okay.
And different activities point of view, one good thing what we observed was during one of the events we had to write a letter. That is a sweet memory that will be in future when we do look at that letter. It will be a good memory for us.
Yeah, Mandar is talking about Father's Day celebration what we had in the school, where Mandar was asked to write a letter to Aradhya when she would reach 18 years, when she would be 18 years of age. And when I read that letter, I was personally so touched. Believe me, I wrote another letter for Aradhya which I would also give it to her when she would be 18 years. Now that was a unique experience which I barely feel she would have got in any other school. And something out of the box, something out of the blue that came out. Maybe it also gave us a confidence that maybe the things that we're doing for her right now, we would record them and probably give it to her when she actually understands what mom and dad has done for me, how they have made my day special. So thanks to Montana for bringing such ideas to parents where they can take their ideas home and work on their ideas individually. So thanks Montana again.
So I think in all we have made the right choice for her.
Yeah, I just can't be more thankful and happy to be associated with Montana for my child. I wish Montana grows into a school with a proper board and where we can continue Aradhya's education in Montana itself.